How's it going, everybody? So today I thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing slash review for some new products that I got from the Beard Struggle, which is a men's gr- uh, grooming products company that I've been a customer of for the past 2 years, going on 2 years, and I've also been an affiliate with the company for about the same amount of time. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, box off to the side here. So first up, we have the Valkyrie beanie, which is the women's beanie that, and this is just a free gift that they gave me based on how much product I ordered. I'm not really going to have a use for this beyond giving it away. So that'll be the plan. And next up, it looks like we have a camo gray beard defender. This is their face mask that is designed to prevent creasing in your beard. You know, with traditional face masks, you have it where it secures underneath the chin and causes a dent. That can be honestly a pain in the ass to get out. So, we developed this. Or I should say they. I don't work for the company, so we doesn't apply. It also comes with two PM 2.5 filters. Now, these are useful, but I honestly find it easier to breathe and wear the mask without them. You certainly can include them. And let's see, it also comes with replaceable nose bridges. So as soon as you use the nose bridge, you can remove it and replace it with a brand new one so you don't have those strange kinks in the bridge. And it comes with a rubber ear saver, which protects the backs of your ears from irritation. Set that aside. Okay, here we go. This is what I was looking forward to checking out. We have the Njord Wallet 2.0. Nice construction here, a little bit of an ID window. I'm not too jazzed about the fact that your ID is basically completely exposed, that there's not some sort of cover over it, but you can buy inserts that go over the ID to hide that. So that's not too much of an issue, but I would like to see some sort of covering for the ID window. Other than that, we've got a pull tab card raiser, and from what I understand, this is RFID blocking, so a bit of security with that. It also has a built-in money clip on the inside for your cash, checks, whatever you need. And a card slot here. Looks like another card slot here. And card slot right in here if you can't fit all of your cards into the card raiser. And of course, got the Beard Struggle logo. Very nice. I do like the quality of the leather though. Very nice construction. Looking forward to getting some use out of this. What else have we got? Got the beard conditioner and the newer scent, Vonier's Wisdom. Now, when this launched back in, I believe it was October or November of last year, this scent range anyway, I had originally pre-ordered it the day of launch. And soon after I pre-ordered it, I was sent an email letting me know that the quality assurance team had found out that the scent for this line came out weaker than they had expected, so they recalled the entire scent line and refunded my purchase for that order. So I'm actually really glad that they decided to make it a permanent scent, and I finally get a chance to try this. Now, the current scent I'm using, Surtur's Fury, I do have some of that left, so I'm not going to open it up just yet because I want to save it for when my Surtur's Fury supply is out, so I'm not wasting anything, because I'm not the type of person to waste anything. So we'll set that aside for now. And what do we have here? That's just a card with their scent range products on it. And I do like these wristbands, although I don't tend to wear them simply because they don't fit my wrists. And by that, I mean my wrists are too small. And as you can see, it says raise your swords against cancer. A lot of the company's proceeds from sales that they make do go toward various cancer charities. So they send these wristbands out as freebies. else have we got? We've got the Day Oil, also in Vanir's Wisdom. We've got the Night Beard Oil. We've got the Body Wash. We've got the Beard Wash. And just to let you know, and just as a pointer, actually, if you run out of shampoo for your hair, the Beard Wash actually does work decently well as a shampoo. Surprise, surprise. I mean, that should be pretty obvious, but I decided to try it today because I ran out of shampoo and didn't have the opportunity to run to the store and get more, so I figured, why not try the Beard Wash? And yeah, works pretty well. And we've got the Beard Butter. Now, this is an interesting product. The Beard Butter is kind of exactly like it sounds. It's got kind of the texture of softened butter in your hand, and then it melts, and it just provides that extra bit of softness that conditioner might not. But it also provides just a little bit of hold. So if you're not looking for real strong hold, but you still want manageability, go with the butter. And we've got the Beard Balm. Now this is kind of like the butter, but it provides a lot more hold due to the beeswax in it. And also protects against dry skin, itchiness under the beard, things like that. And finally, got cologne. Now, these colognes, when they were first announced, was interesting because I wasn't honestly expecting them to make a cologne range, even though it had been requested for quite some time. And I was pleasantly surprised that they did, because I found that some of the scents, not all, but some of the scents don't last quite as long as I'd expected them to. So the cologne really helps with making sure that the scent lingers. And that should be it. Box. So, that was about everything I had for the unboxing. Again, the company is The Beard Struggle. That's www.thebeardstruggle.com. And again, I am an affiliate, so if you are interested in the company, definitely check them out. And feel free to use my code for 20% off your entire order. You can use the code as many times as you like. It'll be down in the description below. And thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.